Okay. Oh, it's not focusing. Your mirror is dirty. Anyways, so we are going out to room. Sina. We have to be protected. So this is me. Hey, boo. That's boo.
Let's go.
Let's go. Francis is getting me Starbucks. Today we are going to the stable. We're gonna look at some goods for shopping. Nuts. So the DB Francis is buying. I don't know what I'm getting, but I told her I wanted something cold and special. So she's getting me something.
You're such a darling.
Such a darling. Oh. So we had a good farm. My laptop is off. See the people we came with. Yeah. See, my shoes are all icy. We're coming to buy goods. We actually have like a party or something. These boots are so... No, damn. Oh, see ya. Hey, hello. You too. Say hello to Nana. So cold. My hands. I left my gloves. Let me check if it's in the pocket. And I actually have Starbucks. So cold. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, so we are done making the inquiries on the goats. We are actually going to buy it. Cold, eh? See now, they're not the fault. Or my actually, you know, I should sleepless. All the wrong. -4 put on me. I'll get used to it very soon. But as of now, the girl is cold. See the boys going. Let me just enter the car very quick. real quick. I think it's because I had a cold drink too. Next stop, Goodwill. Trying to get some slides. Not just. Oh, I'm on yes, sir.
You don't know about beer.
Which one? The short one or the tall one? You dare, you let you do it. Only the onye.
What do you know? Walk out. Oh, what do you want here?
I'll share this YouTube link for your father. He will see what you said about. Francis is not a good person. I think Francis is also looking for something. I don't know what they're getting. I'm tired of them, I want to pee. I think I'm now feeling tired because I've been booming. I've not even slept at night. Back from the washroom. I didn't care what they want, so we are going back. Is it the glasses that you see?
So they are coming on the 1st of June. Yeah, on the 1st of January.
Hi guys. So I just realized that I love or I don't like ending my videos very well. I suck in doing an outro and that is very bad. So this video about doing the goat hunting is like 2 parts. So that is why I think I didn't end the first part very well. So let's go for the part 2 and I hope you enjoy it because that is where things get pretty interesting. See you guys in the next video.